Good morning, students, and once again welcome to our online Python classes. As all of you know that lockdown is going on, so we are trying to learn something from our class 12 syllabus through our online YouTube video classes. And we have already had 4 classes, online classes on Python function chapter. I hope those concepts are clear to you. And you are sending me your doubts, and those are being cleared through your Google Classroom and through WhatsApp also. So thank you very much for your cooperation. In today's class, we will be solving a CBSE sample paper question, and step by step it will be explained to you. I hope it will be helpful to you. Thank you. Today we are going to discuss about the question answer from the chapter Function in Python. We have already discussed question answer from 2 different topics in our previous videos. One was on global and local variable, and the second one was about writing 4 different types of function. One which returns a value and takes argument. The second one that does not return value and takes argument. Third one which does not return value, does not take argument. And the fourth one is does not return value but takes argument. So these type of questions we have already solved in our previous videos. Today we are going to solve one question from CBSE sample paper from the chapter function. Now you know that from the year 2019 and 20, this will be the first batch for class 12 board exam. Due to COVID-19, the exam is postponed, so we do not have any board paper on the new syllabus, so we are really depending on the CBSE sample paper. So you have to stress on CBSE sample paper. So we'll be solving one question from CBSE sample paper from the chapter Function in Python. So let's see. So this is the question. As you can see, it's written here. It has been taken from CBSE sample paper 2019-20. The question is, as you can see, find and write the output of the following Python code. Here one function is given. The name of the function is fun. And at the last line, the function is being called with a input that is school12@com. The total thing is given in, total input is given in lowercase letters. So you have to find out the output for this. Okay, so let's discuss it in the next slide. Let's see. Okay, so in this slide we'll explain the program, explain the output in step by step. So in left hand side, as you can see, the program is written, and in the right hand side the explanation is written. So in the left hand side, in the first line, the function is defined, the name of function is fun, and s is the formal parameter. And in the last line, left hand side, the function is being called, and the actual parameter that we are providing inside the round bracket within quote is the value. So within quote we are providing it, that means it's a string. So as you can see in right hand side, s is receiving the value. Please ignore the s that is written in black, that's a typing mistake. S equals to school2@com. Okay, so this is the value that is being passed inside the function as actual parameter and being received by the formal parameter. And then k equals to len within bracket s. We know that len function calculates the length of the string. If we calculate the length of the string, the value is 11. So that is stored inside K here. And in the next line, M equals to quote is given. So M is an empty string. Next line, we are writing for I in range 0 to K. As K is 11, the value of I will start from 0 and will go up to 1 less than K. So as K is 11, the value of I will be from 0 to 10. So what we'll be doing inside the body of the function, we'll check each value of Si. That means S0 to S10 will be checked for the following 3 conditions. What are those 3 conditions? If Si dot is upper, that means the first condition is if Si is an uppercase letter, it will be converted to lowercase and will be added to M. The second condition is if the first condition is not satisfied, it will go to the second condition. That means if Si is not an uppercase letter but it's an alphabet, that means it has to be a lowercase letter. If it is so, it will be converted to uppercase and will be added to M. Okay. So this is the second condition, and the third condition is if none of the above is true. That means if Si is not an uppercase letter, neither it's an alphabet, then Si will be replaced by BB and it will be added to M. So now let's concentrate on the input and output, as input is given below and output is given above of it. So as you can see, yes, school, we are starting from S, from below to above will be going. S is not an uppercase letter, so the first condition is not satisfied. The second condition is satisfied, it's an alphabet, so S will be converted to capital S and the value will be stored in M. Similarly for small c, it will be converted to capital C and the value will be stored in M. Same goes for H, it will be converted to capital H and it will be stored in M. Same for OOL, it will be converted to capital letter and it will be stored in L. Then for 2, what will happen? First condition is not satisfied, neither the second condition is satisfied. So it will go to the third condition, that is if none of the above is true, BB will be added. Okay. So what will happen? In the space of 2, BB will be added there. Same goes for BB will be added there. And again for the second condition will be satisfied and it will be converted to capital letter and it will be stored in M. So what will be the value of M, final value of M? It will be school in capital followed by 4 B's. 2B will be for 2 and the following 2B will be for and again will be converted into capital letter and that will be stored in M. So this way, step by step, output question you need to solve. Always remember, when you will solve output question, please do a rough work. Do not keep the whole thing in your head. Just write it down. It may take you 1 or 2 minutes more to solve the question, but your output will be correct. So this is how you will solve the output question. If any doubt is there, please let me know. It will be solved for you. I hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you.